What's expected today, the India bloc leaders will be protesting at 10:30 a.m. in the Parliament House complex. So at 9:30 a.m. the leaders are going to be holding a meeting. That meeting is going to be chaired by Rahul Gandhi, after which the India bloc leaders will be protesting today at 10:30 a.m. in the Parliament House complex. So the opposition leaders have been saying that allowing the discussions to be taking place in the 0 hour is undermining democracy. So the India bloc will protest in the parliament today, with the opposition leaders holding this protest in the parliament premises. These are visuals of the MPs who had gathered. Remember, previously as well, they had been wearing these jackets that said Modi, Adani, Bhai Bhai, and these protests are going to only continue now. The protest is going to escalate, with the opposition accusing Jagdeep Dhankar of undermining democracy. So, Sabyasachi, over the last few days, we've seen that Congress party has been isolated, with the allies also coming out not really in support of the Congress party on various issues. But this is one issue where we're going to see absolute unity from the opposition, isn't it? Including the TMC, the Aam Aadmi Party, they're all going to be protesting together.
Well, that's right. Since the beginning of the winter session, the Congress party has been kind of isolated on their agendas, because several other political parties like the Trinamool Congress and the Samajwadi Party had decided that they are not going to be part of the Congress agenda, that they would be focusing on the people-centric issues and the state-centric issues rather than siding on the Congress agenda. See, Congress, along with the Aam Aadmi Party member of parliament, had been protesting against the Adani controversy from day one, and now in the second week of the winter session they have been protesting outside the parliament in front of the Makar Dwar, and clearly the Congress strategy, as per the Congress strategy, they would continue to do so till the end of the winter session. See, on the other hand, the Trinamool Congress, Samajwadi Party, the NCP, the left, all have shown the desire that there should be a change in the leadership of the India bloc. But coming to the no confidence motion, it seems that the opposition parties are united, and several parties of the India bloc, whether it is the Trinamool Congress, Samajwadi Party or the Aam Aadmi Party, in fact, they feel that Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar has been biased towards the central government. He is not allowing discussion on pressing issues that is going across the country, and knowingly disruption is being created inside the house, and opportunities are not being handed towards the opposition member of parliament to speak. So clearly on this particular issue, it seems that the opposition member of parliament are united, and the no confidence motion in fact has been spearheaded by the Congress party.
Okay, all right.